Hey, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I cover the best SaaS tools and lifetime deals that can save you time and money. Today, we're taking a closer look at ScreenToVideo, a screen recording and editing tool that's been getting a lot of love on AppSumo. And trust me, if you've ever felt frustrated with complicated or overpriced video tools, you'll want to stick around. So, what exactly is it? ScreenToVideo is a Windows app that lets you record your screen, capture your webcam and audio, and edit everything in one place. It's built to be simple, but still powerful enough for content creators, teachers, and businesses that need polished videos without a steep learning curve. Here's what makes it stand out. First, the screen recorder is super flexible. Capture your entire screen, a single app, or just a selected area with one click. Add your voice, system audio, and webcam. You can even use a virtual background to keep it professional. Need to explain something visually? Switch to Whiteboard mode and sketch directly on the screen. Perfect for teaching or brainstorming. Once you're done recording, the built-in editor gives you everything you need. Trim, split, crop, add transitions, zoom in on details, or drop in text, shapes, and animations. You can even use Google Text-to-Speech to generate voiceovers automatically. And when you're ready to share, export in MP4, WMV, GIF, or even MP3 for audio. Hardware acceleration keeps rendering fast, and if you want to send it out quickly, just upload straight to Google Drive and share the link. It's like Loom and Camtasia had a baby, but without the subscription price tag. ScreenToVideo is perfect for content creators, educators, and small businesses. If you make YouTube videos, online courses, training sessions, or product demos, this tool gives you all the flexibility without the steep learning curve. Now here's the best part, the deal. Right now on AppSumo, you can grab lifetime access to ScreenToVideo for just $50. That's a one-time payment, no monthly fees. You also get all future updates plus a 60-day money-back guarantee to test it out completely risk-free. So if you've been looking for a simple, affordable, and reliable way to record and edit your videos, ScreenToVideo is definitely worth checking out. I'll drop the link in the description below. Make sure to grab the deal before it disappears. Thanks for watching and happy recording!